This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today we are talking with Jeff Rogers. He is General Manager with EZPro Express. Good to see you, Jeff.
Good to see you. Thanks for having me.
What's the number one thing homeowners are looking for when it comes to contractors these days?
Sure. Well, price is still at the top of a lot of people's minds, right? Nobody wants to overpay for the products that we buy. But beyond just the price, value and trust are most important to most homeowners that we deal with. People want the contractor to do what they say they're going to do, and they want value for the money that they spend, for their project.
And how does EZPro Express compare to others when it comes to bathroom remodels?
Sure. Well, actually, for many projects, we beat our competitors by thousands of dollars on a very similar to the same project.
Wow. And how do you do that?
Well, we are a smaller, family-owned, locally owned and operated company here in the Carolinas, where a lot of our competitors are large national companies with huge overheads. So obviously, we're not using celebrity spokespeople, right? We don't do a lot of big endorsements. So we try to invest the money on keeping the price down for our homeowners, so our customers get great value for the money they spend with us.
And how does a homeowner determine which contractor to put their trust in?
That's a great question. So we'd always recommend go look at reviews, check them out on the Better Business Bureau. At EZPro, we have over 2,000 five-star Google reviews. We have an A+ rating with the BBB, so we're taking care of our customers here.
A great price and a great finished product. What's the first step?
That's right. It's easy. Give us a call. We come to your house. We bring all the samples. We'll talk about your project. We'll give you a price down to a penny. So give us a call or go to EZProExpress.com. And for your viewers today, we're going to offer $1,000 off their project and help get them started.
We cost less. EZProExpress.com.
This has been a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.